You have got a beautiful box, but what if it looks like this from the inside? Oh no, that's not a good look. Your product needs a well-made and premium box from the inside and the outside. This is where partition plays an important role. Hi, I'm Zabia from Veesham Printing Press and I'm here to help you choose the right partition for your product. Footboard dividers. As the name suggests, these are made from footboard and are perfect for keeping items separate like chocolates, snacks, or dates. This is a clean, simple, and cost-effective partition option. Footboard bench. This is like a platform inside your box. It elevates your product for better presentation, great for jars, bottles, or even candles. Footboard dividers with metallic lamination. If you want to go one step further and add a wow effect, this one is for you. Here we use footboard material which is metallic laminated to give that extra shine. The commonly used metallic laminations are gold, silver, and rainbow. Cupperboard partitions. Here we use sturdy cupperboards. These are mainly used for trays when you need to have 2 or more layers inside your box. This will give your box a high-end look. We are halfway through different types of partitions and we have more to cover, but that's for another video. Stay tuned for the second part in which I will be going through some softer partition options for fragile products. Until then, bye!